my Polynesia video. Today we're going to talk about the Ope, which looks like this. So, let's get started. So if you're not warm, please warm up first before we begin. So I'm going straight in. We'll start off with a tamau. So feet together just to get the hips working a little bit. Feet side by side, bend the knees a little bit, tummy in, chest lifted, shoulders back and down. Let's take our hands to the front and side to side motion with your hips. So this is the Ope, but we're just preparing our hips for it first. Side to side, side to side, swing as far as you can. Okay, from here, we're going to go into the tamami. So take your legs nice and wide to begin with, bend your knees slightly, and we'll start off with a big hip circle. Again, take your hands to your chest height, elbows lifted, smile. Transfer the weight from one leg to the other. Engage your belly. Okay, let's go the other way for fun. Just get the circle going. Nice big circle. We are just releasing the hips right now in preparation for the Ope. Okay, maybe you want to put your fist on your hips. Circle going round and round. Okay, we're trying to keep our shoulders nice and still. Okay, so first things first. We want you just a little exercise to prepare us for the movement. We're going to bend the back leg, keep the front leg a little bit forward, and we're just going to do some baby bends, okay? So tiny bend in the back leg to prepare us for the motion. Okay, so down and up, down, up, down and up, down and up, down, up, down, up. Okay, from here, we're going to do the same action with the hips, but in this position. You might find it feels bigger on one side because of the position that you're in. So, here we go. We're going to take it hip, 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 side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side, side to side. And then we're going to go front and back. So front, back, front, back, front, back. I'm really transferring the weight through my legs. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Okay, now I'm going to face this way for the moment so you can see. With the Ope, you may also know this move by another name. I know this as the Ope. We're going to start our circle in this hip and we're going forward in this direction. So if I was on the side and this was your audience or your mirror, or wherever you're facing, you start the circle from the back and you go towards the front. So I'm starting on my right, if you're mirroring me maybe to your left, and I'm going forwards in this direction, okay? So, I'm going right, or maybe your left, front, left, or maybe your right, and back. Take it round in a circular motion, okay? Big circle, keeping the circle around this height, around your hip area. And if you fail, you might find it easier to hold your hips so you can feel the shape. So forward, forward, forward. Stay grounded, stay low, try not to bounce, and circle. So, I have a little exercise for you. I'm going to face this way so you can see the mirror. We're going to do the exercise flat-footed, releve, and another one where we extend the leg. Just different variations, okay? So you may find it harder with your foot on the floor. This is to help us get a nice big circle and really stay in control of our hips. Okay, so I'm facing this way. My circle starts here and it goes towards you. So, forward and around. Notice this leg, back leg, is slightly bent the whole time. Round, 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 round. I move my hand out of the way so you can 3 different versions, it's just little different places for the leg to practice the movement. So the third one, I'm going to extend my leg to make the circle a bit bigger at the back. So round, 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 round. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There is your okay. There are many things you can do with it. You can travel with it. Today we're going to stay on this one. So if you like that, you want to do it again, rewind and do it all over again on the other side. Maruru.